How to cancel send friend request on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can cancel a sent friend request on Snapchat. Now the process itself is actually quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up Snapchat. Once you open up Snapchat, you want to tap on the plus friend icon, the friend request icon at the top right corner. There you can see the plus and the image icon there, the person icon. Once you do so, here on the add friends option, you want to simply tap on the three dots option at the top right corner of your screen, and here you can see three different options at the bottom now, that is hidden from quick add, ignored from added me, and recently added. So you want to simply tap on recently added option, and now you can see the list of recently added here. Now you want to simply tap on the particular friend request or particular friend that you send the friend request to, and then once you tap on it, you want to tap on the profile icon there, and then you want to tap on three dots option at the top right corner of your screen, and then tap on manage friendship, and then you can simply remove friend. Now even if they haven't accepted your friend request, then you will have to do the same process, or even if they have already accepted the friend request and you want to unfriend them, you can go through the same process. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.